In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and rename a new sheet in Google Sheets. First, make sure your Google Sheets document is open on your desktop. We'll be working right inside that file, so you don't need to leave the page or open anything else. Think of your document as a whole workbook, and each sheet inside it as a separate page where you can organize different sets of data. Take a look at the very bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of tabs, and the one you're currently on is highlighted. It typically has a default name like Sheet 1. These tabs are your different sheets within the same document, and they're a great way to keep related information together without creating multiple files. To add a new sheet, focus on the bottom left corner right next to the existing sheet tabs. You should see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon. When you do, Google Sheets instantly creates a fresh sheet for you. By default, it will be named Sheet 2, or it may use the next number in sequence if you already have more than one sheet. This automatic naming is handy, but it's not very descriptive, so let's give it a meaningful name. Find the tab for the new sheet you just created. Right-click on that tab to open its context menu. From the options that appear, select Rename. You'll see the tab name become editable. Type in a clear, descriptive name that tells you and your collaborators exactly what lives on that sheet, something like Budget 2025, Raw Data, or Monthly Report. Press Enter to confirm. The new name saves immediately, and because Google Sheets autosaves, you don't have to worry about losing your changes. A few quick tips for naming. Keep it concise but specific. Avoid characters that could be confusing in formulas, and consider a consistent naming style across your project so everything stays organized. If your document has many sheets, good names make it much easier to navigate and reduce mistakes when referencing sheets and formulas. That's it. Your new sheet is created and renamed, ready for data. You can click between the tabs at the bottom to move from one sheet to another as you work. Using separate sheets within a single document keeps your workflow cleaner and your data grouped logically without needing multiple files. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, try creating a couple of sheets and naming them according to your project structure so everything stays clear and easy to manage.